Hello, course creators. We just launched our newest add-on plugin, Tutor LMS Group. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build learning communities that keep students engaged, boost course completion rates, and create multiple revenue streams you probably never thought of. Some of the use cases of Tutor LMS Group Plugin are: you are a teacher and you want to divide up students into classes so that you can track them independently from one another. Your organization requires certain roles to receive specific training bar courses, or you want to sell course licenses to organizations so they can purchase access for a group of their employees. You want to drip feed lessons to users on the same schedule. Let us now start exploring this group plugin for Tutor LMS. I'm assuming you already have Tutor LMS installed and active, as this is a requirement. Let us install this premium group add-on. Once activated, you'll see a new Groups menu item in your WordPress admin. In your WordPress admin, you'll find several new menu items under Groups, like Add New Group, Create New Groups, Group Reports, Analytics and Reporting, Group Analytics, Visual Charts and Statistics, Settings, Plugin Configuration. The main Groups page shows all your groups in a table format with filtering options, bulk actions, and quick access to edit each group. Now let's create our first group. Click Add New Group to open the group creation interface. Step 1. Basic information. Enter a group name. This is required. Use the rich text editor for the description. You can add formatting, links, and media. Step 2. Associate courses. Click in the course search field. Type to search for Tutor LMS courses. Select courses that this group will be associated with. Students enrolled in these courses can join this group. Step 3. Assign group leaders. Use the multi-select dropdown to choose leaders. You can select multiple users. These users will be able to manage the group based on their permissions. Step 4. Assign initial members. Select users who should be members of this group. This is optional. You can add members later. Step 5. Group settings. Status. Choose active or inactive. Maximum members. Set a limit or leave at 0 for unlimited. Auto-enrollment. Enable. If you want students to automatically join when they enroll in associated courses. Step 6. Pricing configuration. Price type. Choose free or paid. If paid, set. Regular price. Sale price, optional. Currency, associate with a WooCommerce product. Step 7. Expiration settings. Set an expiration date if needed. Choose what happens when the group expires. Deactivate, archive, or delete. Click Create Group to save your first group. The group leader system is one of the most powerful features. Let's explore how it works. When you assign someone as a group leader, they get specific permissions. Manage members, add/remove group members, manage content, edit group settings. The plugin automatically creates a tutor group leader role with appropriate capabilities. Leader. Dashboard. Group leaders can access 1. My groups to see groups they lead and groups they're members of, and 3. Total members across their groups. Plugin also provide quick management tools for leaders of groups. For example, grant or revoke specific members for the groups. Just note that administrators of course website automatically have all permissions. Now let me tell you, one of the most valuable features is the ability to monetize your groups. You can set up paid group memberships. Pricing configuration. 1. Price type. Choose free or paid. 2. Regular price. Set the standard membership fee. 3. Sale. Price. Offer discounts for limited time. 4. Currency. Support for multiple currencies, USD, EUR, GBP, etc. This plugin connects and deeply syncs with WooCommerce. So you can link groups to existing WooCommerce products or do automatic enrollment after payment. Because of the tight WooCommerce integration, when a user clicks Join Group on a paid group, he will be redirected to WooCommerce checkout, where he will be able to complete payment and get enrolled automatically in the group. Additionally, he will receive confirmation by email. Don't wait to add value to your Tutor LMS-based online courses. Try our group plugin today. If this video helped you understand how to transform your courses into communities, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into advanced community building strategies.